sometimes you feel dress, then you forget yourself. That be what happened to Mahama, because then the minister they try, holla, welcome him because he just arrived. So at least if I welcome him, he won't shake His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. But Charlie, the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, no, the way he drip, no, in mindself, no do that. Like he no get self awareness. See somebody they stand beside him way he won't holla himself.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Okay. Over. Bring the cement bag. Over. Hey, move the excavator. We are going to the top. Over. I just wanted to for Aja. Many contract. I buy my contract. It's true. I was a bit dressed as a but that's what I could say. Me do we five mamu and son and there. Morales they say program be able to make sure say why they what dress it appropriately. It's a maybe because site here may free over any idea as excavators in radio. While she me helmets me walking talker. My boy me want me barbecue. But answer na me according to know. Me person me do we five mamu and son na call. You have to dress according to the occasion because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or trendy what timeline also or trendy what X Twitter or in another do that about trendy what it is a because we are now sure so we are aware of the echo so dress according to the occasion. Of course, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, and today they have a commission of new officers or mere graduation Ghana Military Academy Teshi and Ayera Mahama Ekoho. Na Okoho no say and not dress here. Aha. Wow, he has dressed according to the occasion. And a month for say, but maybe like 8 years ago, we not see when a former president say they dress like this for this kind of occasions before. Pictures today. That a slap and make us see. Because this be one of the places where such events happen. But another where codes go. Another where codes go. Where people they ask say, but Adori, what's up? What's up? We never see you say you wear these things before. What's up? Why? We go love see you in this one. At least Moku see. Somebody see. Maybe they use AI. Try modify. Put that for this outfit inside. Make we see how he go look like. But Charlie, it be some way. Charlie wanna for chill for the timeline talk on X. Asemba munya butre. So they be sharing. And so Charlie, people the Lord Mahama for dressing like this today. I'm not for Philly dressing it brutal because don't feel say Charlie Papa no the original president already and what drippy in the navy outfit. That I full image na slapping mama na wow Ajine white boots papi bi. Ajine white trousers. Ajine rankings in the sword. Na one minister now she black na ojina nchen BBC here. Something happened. Great put me on. Something happened. But what happened be say you see say sometimes like the way I drip, where I excite like this, way I can't go sites no. Yeah. If I left here straight to sites because for today I be engineer, chief contractor pa. I'm a contractor, I make say me drip accordingly. And you see, sometimes you feel drip, then you go forget your body. Yeah, you go forget yourself. You go forget your environment and the things where they go on around you. Yeah. That be the same thing what happened to Mahama today. The way your man drip, Charlie, it is Charlie, me jinumuati. And I gonna for so man fans. All kinds of all corner. Hawkers near there no omo tuma omo man France omo bibi kwa man say ombra no best intwemu me show say we hu side video no unhu ya corner ko checking it out you know wow sha sometimes you feel dress then you forget yourself. That be what happened to Mahama because then the minister they try holla welcome him because he just arrived, so at least if I welcome him he won't shake His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. But Charlie, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, no, the way he drip, no, in mindself, no do that. Like he no get self-awareness. See somebody they stand beside him way he want holla himself. Great, Moku check the video out. So as Mama they come, it being that they receive him nicely, exchange salute. The man they taking workings one step at a time. Hey, nanti try to dance back wafro or salute a one person chair to say no your money I know they do each other well. Yes. It be so easy. Sometimes you go fit drip, you go fit dress, then you forget your body. You reach there, you want to make sure say you organize your shadow well, so say the cameras go capture you properly. No be now you can't shake hands and all that. No. Your man might not go there. I sure say like he see it go holla, but unfortunately, he no see. So be our cry. It be normal. It happen. If you drip, sometimes you forget yourself. Well, people also they ask like this particular event, no. They don't see Apia Stadium for there. I be wanna know Apia Stadium, right? Yeah, Apia Stadium. This one they don't see him for there. People they ask, Apia Stadium no come this one because Apia Stadium now do the mama or the train for the tier top. So I should say Apia Stadium and I be like the bloggers won't run some narrative way he know they like. So he come out can't do video address the people. He can't address the bloggers. Hey, instead muna mudi munjai. Mamu fasa amo nyamane mami suo some fake stories fake news na amo mamu fa mami so because there's a video of Apia Stadium and Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Yeah. Dr. Kwame Despite. There's a video of them and they were trying to catch a convo and Apia Stadium said something of that sort. Maybe it might not be exactly what I said, but something of that sort. Where the bloggers they ran the narrative say Apia Stadium they disrespect Despite. So if I come out, can't address the issue, say yo, munjai mwasem no na enye sana me pachre and enye sana na me can. I'm not here to disrespect anyone. He's only here to be at every place His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will be. And no answer no waha. Inti senye no dia osremo mo fancy ya. And so yeah, if you go Twitter where they try find out the reason why Mahama the Nanado they trend, this be the reason because. As of now, then crown His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the president with the drip. He's the drip lord. As of now, the man with the aura. Say aura. Mama say aura. The man with the aura is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So like I'm saying, I'm going to cite. So I have to dress according to the occasion. So if you are also dressing, boy, make sure you dress according to the occasion because Okoshe coat because I did we be the idea and now do I truly do because that's at now no people are calling for Adodi to appear in this outfit just like His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and this one no show say it go happen today, it go happen tomorrow because he left up already unless they use AI. Unless when I use AI take put an Anado for this outfit inside. If you know be so party my guy, forget it no go happen. My name be PKB Original. This be +233 show. Make us see you for the comment section. If you feel Mahama in outfit for this particular graduation where you attend today, make a note for the comment section. If you want the student vibes like in Anado too, make us see you for the comment section. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Within the PKB Original, of course. Until then again, I'll be back with a new episode. This is where we give you all the filler and the latest. Macramo. It's bye for now.
I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
How can you tell me this story?
All the lie.